Hello, Michael Ann.
Hi, Bob.
What's going on?
Going skydiving.
You jumping out? You jumping out of an airplane?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay. Any special reason why you're doing this?
I'm with my law school buddies. We all got through our first year
Yeah. So it's.
unscathed, so we thought we might risk it some more.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks.
So how do you feel about this?
Kind of like being a little bit.
A little nervous?
A little bit. I'm like shaky a little bit, but I think I thought it was gonna be the coolest one here, and I'm not.
All right. Have you met your instructor?
Yeah, Aaron, he's right there.
Said you're shaking a little bit, a little nervous,
A little bit.
and you're jumping with Aaron.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? Aaron will take good care of you.
Okay, I hope so. We'll see.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Have fun.
Go.
See you up there. Woohoo! Michael Ann, 8,000 feet. Just a few more minutes. Just a few more, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Yeah. How you doing, Aaron?
I'm fine.
What?
I'm fine.
What's wrong, buddy?
I think I broke something.
Aaron, what'd you do?
That feels a little loose.
You didn't break that?
It's flopping around,
No,
man.
that's your parachute opener thingy. 5 o'clock.
Fixed.
Is that important?
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, guys, man, figure it out. I thought you fixed it. Michael Ann, take care of him, okay?
I will.
All right, have fun.
Yeah.
See you out there.
Now that she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her head. She acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's a time to change. Since the return of her stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. Did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? One without a permanent scar, and then you missed me while you were looking for yourself out there.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, Michael Ann.
Hi!
How was that?
That was awesome.
Pretty cool?
Yeah, still calming down though.
Would you do it with Aaron and me again?
What?
Would you do another skydive with Aaron and me again?
Else.
Yeah, all right, perfect.
Right!
Hey, Aaron, nice one.
That was awesome!
Michael Ann, we'll see you next time, okay?
Okay, thanks, Bob.
All right, thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo!